One of my specialty is that I support families with dogs that suffer from separation anxiety. For some of them, that's just one person. If that one person isn't around, that's very complicated for them. But some others, that's a bit easier for people to make sure they can be taken care of, because that just being alone, that is an issue for them. Um, I'm gonna invite you in a little game. Are you ready to play along with me? Okay, so if you have your shoes on, I'll let you take them off and put them away. Good. Once it's done, are you ready? Okay, now go, put your shoes on and put them off right away and come back. That's done. Okay, that was interesting. Maybe your dog reacted, maybe not. Oh, wait, go back, put your shoes on and remove them again. That's done. Ooh, quick. So now you can have a little break and go back. Go, go, go. Okay, don't worry about how your dog reacts. That's just a little game. And now you can get yourself busy, something else, read something, wash your dishes, and I don't know what you do usually in your house. Have a breathe and go back, put your shoes on and take them off. See, maybe your dog reacted playfully, excited, he barked maybe. Sorry for your neighbor. Um, but for the family that have a dog with separation anxiety, that kind of exercise is what they live, they experience. Sometimes the dog may bark, whine, pee, attack the shoes so that the owner are not able to put them on. But the thing is, the dog is suffering. It's a state of panic. And for those families, considering just that one step, putting their shoes on, is when they see their dog not just not peeing or barking, but be relaxed, having his muscle completely like uh, shamalo or smiling. That's a C here. Otherwise, he's not smiling. See the dog doing something else, or just flying and looking at them like, okay, what, that's boring. What you doing? Okay, I'm interpreting, sorry, but you see the idea. That's something great for them. That means they can move on to another step. That means the dog, sometimes the dog can react long before that. And yes, that means I have them repeat that over and over and over and again and again and again. So that the dog, it doesn't mean anything. That just some kind of behavior humans do, but it doesn't mean something about me being alone, not right now. And that doesn't mean I'm gonna panic for now. So that's okay. You can put your shoes on and relax.